A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Let's continue our chapter, the physical features of India. In previous video, we have discussed about the formation of Earth, and in this we discussed about the tectonic theory of tectonic plates and the movements of Earth, that is divergent, convergent, and transform fault. Today we will discuss about the formation of Himalayas. Himalaya, it is in the north part of India and its extension is from Indus in the west to Brahmaputra in the east. Length of Himalaya is 2400 km and its width is 400 km in the west to 150 km in the east. Now let's discuss about the sections of Himalaya. It is divided into 4 sections, that is Punjab Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, Nepal Himalayas and Assam Himalayas. In Punjab Himalaya, there is area between Satluj and Indus river, and Kumaon Himalaya is the area between Satluj and Kali river. Nepal Himalaya is Kali and the Tista, and the Assam Himalaya is come between the area between Tista and Dihang. It is not very important, but sections are not important, but its ranges are very important. So let's discuss about the main ranges of Himalayas. It is its 3 ranges are the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. Himadri is also known as Greater Himalaya. Its height is 6000 meter, and all the high peaks belong to this range like Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. Second is the Himachal. It is also known as Lesser Himalaya. Hill sections such as Dalhousie, Dharamshala and Shimla also a part of Himachal, and its height is from 3700 to 4500 meter. And third one is Shivalik or Outer Himalayas. Shivalik is also known as Tarai. Earthquakes and landslides are common in this part, and its height is from 900 meter to 1100 meter. These were the main ranges, and these are very important because differences also important of it, and definitions or features are important. And discuss the features of Himadri, discuss the features of Himachal, discuss the feature of Shivalik. These questions are also very important. Okay, now let's start how Himalayas formed. Yes, my dear students, our India was a part of a Gondwana land. Gondwana was a supercontinent in ancient time, crores of years ago. But because of the convection currents, Gondwana fractured into many pieces. And the Indo-Australian plate, after getting separated from the Gondwana land, drifted from slowly towards the north and collided the Eurasian plate in the northern hemisphere. Under this impact of collision, the sedimentary rocks of the enclosed oceans were folded. Because of the convection, the rocks were folded, and because of these folds, Himalayas was formed. So this was the story how Himalayas are formed. Himalayas are also known as young fold mountain. Why they are known as young fold mountains? Because they are of recent birth. They are not very old. So that's all from today from my side, friends. We will discuss next part of in next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.